Hello, my name is Angelica. Activity 6. What time does she wake up? She wakes up at 6:30 a.m. Does she take a shower in the morning? Yes, she takes a shower every morning. What time does she have breakfast? She has breakfast at 7 a.m. Does she go to school in the morning? Yes, she goes to school at 8 a.m. What does she do in the afternoon? She studies and does her homework. Does she cook dinner? Yes, she cooks dinner at 7 p.m. What time does she have dinner? She has dinner at 9 p.m. Does she watch TV night? No, she doesn't watch TV. She reads a book. What time does she to bed? She goes to bed at 10 p.m. Does she cleans the room on weeks? Yes, she cleans the room on Saturdays. Goodbye.